Hey guys, it's RD Techie, and today we're doing the unboxing of my new Razer Kraken X USB headset. Now, this is going to be pretty awesome. This is my first unboxing, as you probably would know because you're watching this on my channel. I'm so excited and also kind of nervous, so let's jump into it. One note though, I do have to say, I received the package. I bought it from Amazon. I received the package with the flap open. We're not usually supposed to get them flapped open, and we also got these reinforced tape. Now all I can assume is obviously the package gave way during some time in transit and they decided to go with reinforced tape, and that's not a good thing. Those are two red flags, but there are ways to detect if this has been a used headset. We're going to jump into that while we do the unboxing, so I'll catch you there. Don't go anywhere. Alright, so what we have here is the Razer X, like I mentioned it before, and we don't need any knives or anything because the job's been done for us because of the flimsy tape that was already off. So we're just going to jump right into it. There's a neat little I want to say velvety band, synthetic, polyester, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Now, this is one of the reasons and one of the things I thought we could use to check if this was a used headset. Now, Razer does this, which is a registration code to their 7.1 surround sound software, and you need to actually register with this code, and it's not been used. So that gives me hope that this was not a used headset. After all, even though you can actually have the company just replace the code and throw in the same headset, I'm hoping that's not the case. So that's a positive for us right there. So I think that's a good thing. All right, so let's go to the next part. Let's keep unboxing. What do we got here? We have the documentation. So the Razer documentation, this user manual and stuff. And there you go. As usual, companies want their free advertising. So if you're a huge Razer fan, you get a couple of stickers. You can slap it on your laptop or your phone or whatever you want and give them free advertising. So that's cool, I guess. And then here we go. This is the bulk of the package, and it's empty. The plastic came up. So this kind of makes me feel like this package was just handled badly, and whoever were the courier partners of Amazon, I guess they do their own deliveries here. So I don't know. It just came off and they just did the band-aid fix. I'm just gonna put this right. It has like this sponge thing, which is great. It's supposed to support the earmuffs like so. So that's really nice. So I'm just gonna put that to the side. And all right, I'm gonna pull this bad boy out. Get that thing out. Get that out. It's all
one eternity later.
That plastic is way too rigid to be in the plastic material, but anyways, plastic piece gonna be too loud. Okay, so this is the reason we bought it, and that's all it. It looks great. It looks great. It's like the all black finish. I know these things light up. We'll be testing if they do. I know they're supposed to, and there is a mute button, which if you press the mute button, it actually juts out, so you don't accidentally mute your friends and leave them muted. You can do that on purpose now. You have the volume rocker here, and you click the mute button again to unmute yourself if you don't want to mute, yourself. Actually, you're not muting your friends, you're muting yourself. That's not a good thing. All right, so this is the cable, plastic. This is the cable. It's a very cool cable, I gotta say, because it's not. I was expecting a thin cable because I know the ultralight is very thin. This is a little bit better. This is between a thin cable and a braided cable. This feels like a shoelace made out of rubber. And the material. But it's cool. I like it. It's got a nice. You feel like it's sturdy. It's not gonna break apart the first day of using it, or anything like that. And that is a cardioid mic, and we'll do a mic test and everything in the review itself. But this is the headset, and it has written levels, which is really cool. It's one of the reasons I picked these up, because the Razer Ultralight, from what I understand, did not have these, and it was a little too flimsy from what I saw when I did some research. And this one definitely felt a little more sturdy. It's obviously a little more expensive. I got it from Amazon. It is on sale right now. I think its MRP is around $6,999, and this is on sale for like $4,500 or something. So I want to say, or so for you guys that are watching it in the US, this is about $50. For you guys, I know it's about $50. For us, it's a little more expensive here. I was just so excited to get these. They came in early, so huge props to Amazon. They came in early. They were supposed to come in on Thursday, and today is Monday, and it came in, and it's pretty awesome. And during this pandemic, that's very impressive. So hats off to that. Not so good with the packaging in the sense that they handled it really badly. The system itself seems fine. Nothing's been bent out of shape that I can see, and nothing's been torn apart, so that's good. That's always a good thing. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna do a setup and review video right after, and we will run it through its paces. We will check out the mic, we will check out the sound quality, and use up that code and see how that works. But till then, thank you for watching. This has been my first unboxing. Hopefully first of many. Let me know if you have any suggestions. It's really hot, so I can't have the fan on, so I'm sweating like a pig. This is gonna be it for RD Tech. I'll catch you in the next video. Have a nice day, and remember to wash your hands.